Hello everyone, says Daniela Tiger, writer from Romania. I apologize for the pronunciation. In these times, when the world planet is hard pressed by the COVID-19 pandemic, I want to give you a simple idea to make yourself a mask for your protection and those around you. It is very simple to do these things you find in your home or your office. You need one or two kitchen towels or paper towels, one stapler, and two elastic for money. Step 1. Fold the paper towel as the fan. Step 2. Each end is folded, attach the money, elastic inside, then stapling. Attach the money elastic to the ear planes and fold the mask over the nose and mouth. But the best prevention is to stay isolated, stay home. Only in this way can we protect ourselves or loved ones and help the medical staff. May God forgive us, have us in His guard, and bless us all.